Hey there and welcome. My name is Chris and I'm going to walk you through the Magics application and on a deep level explain how you can use this application to drive success and scale up your Facebook advertising. And to really understand this application, I first want to explain you a little bit about the history and how to navigate through this app. Basically, Magics was developed inside our agency to scale our agency because we had a little bit of an issue to find people who understand Facebook advertising, to train them, to make sure they fit the company culture, they know how to engage with clients. And often you train them and then they leave, do their own thing, which is fine, but we just couldn't scale our agency. So we needed a tech solution to make sure that one media buyer instead of 5 clients can now manage 10 or maybe even more. And this is actually where Magics was born. So in its core, this app is doing what an agency does for you. And that is the strategy build, strategy management, strategy analysis and reporting, and then is helping you to continuously refine and improve your strategy to achieve the scaling and ROAS goals you desire. And you can find these core pillars also within this app. Create Ad Set, that's all about building up the strategy. Automations is where we have the best automation tactics from the best Facebook advertisers out there, so you do not have to monitor your account anymore 24/7. It's done for you by a system. And then we have dashboard, campaigns overview, and ad set storyline. These are deep analysis tools. We want to collect the data that actually matters, show them to you in an easy way so you can execute and scale your strategy. And then it's all about continuous refinement, continuously improving your strategy by adjusting your automation tactics, launching new audiences, and leveraging our newest tool, Creative Clusters, where you can level up your content game. In this series, we're going to walk through each and every of these applications and in detail discuss how to get started, how to set up, how to continuously work with Magics, and how to scale up. So stay tuned and check out the next videos.